Hello and welcome. Today I'll be showing you how to replace a broken graphics card. First, what you want to do is take out your power cables. Well, actually what you want to do first is unplug the computer before you do this. Then unplug the power cables. Then remove the two screws that hold it in place, here and here. Then on this motherboard you have like these tabs here. You want to push this down like this, and then pull upwards with equal force on the graphics card till it comes out. Puts it down, and you grab your new one and place it into the slot that the other graphics card was in. Push down till it clicks in place. Then you want to install your power cables. Sure these are in correctly. And then you want to screw it in place.